वॉट यू आर सीकिंग इज सीकिंग यू. सुनने में बड़ा मैजिकल लगता है, राइट? और कुछ लॉजिकल वाले जो बंदे लॉजिक ढूंढते हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा रबिश भी साउंड कर सकता है, बट फॉर मी इट इज़ अ लॉ. एंड इफ वट एवर वर्क्स इन दिस यूनिवर्स और नॉट, लॉ ऑलवेज वर्क्स. एंड दिस लाइन, what you are seeking is seeking you, it's very I'm not going to make it magical, because it's not magical. It's totally depending on how we are responding for things. Suppose we want to have confidence in our life, then we have to avoid discomfort. If we want to have respect, we have to stop tolerating nonsense. And if we want to have purpose in our life, we have to know our responsibility and we have to take those responsibilities. You will see a pattern. For whatever we want, we have to move it, we have to take the action first, then the right things would come in our life. Suppose if we want to have some opportunity in our life, then what we can do, we can develop skills, we can develop habits that would attract right opportunities for us in our life. If we want to have strong relationships, then we need to be disciplined, we need to be honest, then the right person would find us. Nothing, if you will see again the pattern, we will move first, the right thing will find us. It's not like that कि we will sit on our place, we will wait for the right moment कि हाँ यार थोड़ा टाइम कर लेते हैं, हमारा टाइम भी आएगा, अपना टाइम भी आएगा. It's not Bollywood, और बॉलीवुड में भी आजकल ऐसा नहीं होता है, अच्छी मूवी बनाने लग गए वो लोग भी. But what I want to say is कि if we stay on the same place thinking that right moment will come, right opportunity will arrive, it will not. This is unfortunate, yet it is very exciting, because whatever is happening with us, whatever will happen with us, the future, it is totally depending on us. It is totally depending on the commitments that we can do with ourselves, and that, those commitments that we can actually follow. It is totally depending on how much pain we can endure for something that we really want. And yeah, as we know that nothing comes without having a pain or having something to sacrifice for. If we are not willing to be have some pain for the things we want, we may never have those things. If we want to have money, we have to build some skills, we have to build some habits for it, we have to work towards it, and we will find it. This is like this ki if we want respect, we have to give respect first. If we want to have good person in our life, we have to become the good person, then only the good persons would find us. It's simple as that. You see, nothing is chasing us first, we have to move, then the right thing would arrive. Because this is how life works. Whatever you want, you need to be like that first, then you shall have it. And whatever it happens in future, whatever the current reality is, it is totally depending on the commitments that we have with ourselves right now. तो yes, खुद से अच्छे कमिटमेंट करो, उनको पूरा करने की कोशिश मत करो, उनको पूरा करो, कोशिश सिर्फ मत करो. You should try it, to follow your commitments. And yes, try to be a good person. With that, Anu Mishra signing off. Thank you so much.